Welcome to the Best 5. If you love healthy snacks or preserving fresh produce, this video is for you. Today, we are reviewing the best food dehydrators to help you make delicious dried fruits, veggies, and more at home. Stay tuned as we explore top picks for every budget and lifestyle. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Number 1. COSORI 7 Trays Stainless Steel Food Dehydrator. One of the sleekest dehydrators on the market, this COSORI model combines style and functionality with its black and stainless steel design and a transparent glass door that lets you monitor the drying process. It features an intuitive digital control panel, arrives fully assembled, and allows you to easily set the time and temperature, operating up to 48 hours at a range of 95 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. In our tests, it maintained consistent temperatures, delivering even and reliable results. We were impressed by its automatic shut-off feature, whisper-quiet performance, and excellent drying capabilities. Every batch came out evenly dehydrated, with no cracking, and peeled off the trays effortlessly. It even performed well with different texture levels for various foods. The dehydrator includes 6 stainless steel drying trays, a mesh screen for small fruits, a fruit roll sheet, and a recipe book. While its size may be a drawback for smaller kitchens, cleanup is a breeze thanks to dishwasher-safe trays. Additionally, it's equipped with overheat protection for added safety and crafted from food-grade stainless steel for durability and safe snack preparation. Pros: customizable time and temperature settings, very even dehydrating from level to level, quiet operation, automatic shutoff. Cons: large countertop footprint. Number 2. Magic Mill 10 Trays Food Dehydrator Machine. The Magic Mill Food Dehydrator Machine is an excellent choice for handling large volumes of fruits, vegetables, and more, thanks to its 10 stainless steel trays with wide holes designed for optimal airflow. Along with the trays, the package includes a hanging rack for larger items like meats and vegetables, a mesh tray for smaller foods like herbs and berries, and a fruit roll tray for crafting fruit leather. Equipped with a rear-mounted fan, the dehydrator ensures even heat distribution, eliminating the need to rotate trays during the drying process. This machine features a digital thermostat and timer with an automatic shut-off function, enabling precise drying times while preventing overdrying. Cleanup is straightforward, its trays are dishwasher safe, and the housing wipes clean with ease. Though it weighs 21 pounds, it's manageable to lift, but better suited for countertop use rather than frequent storage. Its spacious design accommodates all 10 trays simultaneously, making it ideal for big batch recipes and efficient food preparation. Magic Mill provides a 30-day return window for unused products, but warranty details aren't specified on the manufacturer's website. Despite this, its performance, capacity, and user-friendly features make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Number 3. Nesco LT2SG Snackmaster Pro Food Dehydrator. If the large size of many food dehydrators feels overwhelming, the compact Nesco model might be the perfect fit. Its round design not only sets it apart from the square and rectangular options, but also makes it highly portable and easy to set up. Just plug it in, and you're ready to go. The top-mounted handle adds convenience for opening the dehydrator, though the round shape makes loading trays slightly less intuitive. This model is straightforward to use, but the dial with preset temperature ranges limits precise control, and the lack of a built-in timer means you'll need to track drying times manually. During testing, this resulted in some uneven drying, so expect a bit of trial and error at first. The dehydrator's controls, motor, and fan are housed in a lid that snaps securely on top of the trays, directing airflow from top to bottom. While the airflow design slowed herb drying compared to other models, it delivered satisfying results for other foods. The fruit leather had a pleasant chew, and the jerky was tender with a good pull. This compact machine balances simplicity and effectiveness, making it a good option for smaller kitchens or those new to dehydrating, though it may take some patience to master its quirks. Number 4. Excalibur Performance Series Electric Food Dehydrator. The Excalibur stands out as the largest and quietest food dehydrator we tested, boasting an impressive 9.6 square feet of drying space. It came close to the Magic Mill in overall design and performance, but stood out for its user-friendly features. The Excalibur stands out with its precise control over both temperature and time, allowing adjustments in 30-minute increments for up to 60 hours of continuous dehydrating, an advantage over models with preset options. Its engineering ensures even heat distribution and airflow, and the large, wide trays provide ample space for food, resulting in consistently even drying. We found its jerky to be perfectly balanced, tender yet tough, without being overly dry. However, to make fruit leather, you'll need to purchase an additional tray, which detracts from its value and versatility right out of the box. Weighing 18 pounds, similar to a dual basket air fryer, the Excalibur is easy to move thanks to handles on both sides. The glass double doors, while not initially expected to add much, proved to be a convenient feature for monitoring and accessing food. Its chrome-plated trays are dishwasher safe, though their size may require hand washing. A crumb tray at the bottom also aids in cleanup, making maintenance easier. Number 5. Magic Mill Adjustable Food Dehydrator Machine. We gave this food dehydrator top marks for its ease of use, performance, design, cleaning convenience, and low noise level. The timer can be set from 30 minutes up to 24 hours and includes an automatic shut-off feature, as well as a keep warm option. This dehydrator comes fully assembled and includes a comprehensive accessory set, 7 stainless steel trays, 2 mesh trays designed for small or sticky foods, 2 non-stick solid trays for fruit rolls, a cookbook for inspiration, and a silicone oven mitt for added safety. All trays are dishwasher safe and simple to clean. We found that the food dried evenly across all trays, with no cracking, and it peeled off effortlessly. The machine reached the set temperature in just 40 minutes, and maintained it consistently throughout the drying process. It also ran quietly, which added to its appeal. The front door is clear and easy to open, staying open while you access the trays. The trays slide in and out smoothly, and the digital controls are intuitive. The only downside is its size. While food dehydrators are generally large, this model is especially bulky compared to others, which may be a concern for those with limited space. Pros: super quiet operation, consistently great results, automatic shut-off and keep warm features. Cons: slightly bulky.